Digital car key installation demonstration. First, according to the structural characteristics of different models of car keys, remove the original car key shell one by one without damage. Buckle the battery on the chip of the original car key. Remove the original car key chip. Before the car keys were modified, it is necessary to clearly correspond the digital car key cable with the function buttons of the original car key chip. Then fix the original car key chip on the workbench. Use a soldering gun to add solder to the diagonal position of each function button of the chip. Then the digital car key cable is diagonally welded to the corresponding function button. When welded, please note that the number of switching lines does not distinguish between positive and negative electrodes. Just diagonal welding is required. After the function buttons are welded, flip the original car key chip. Use a soldering gun to add solder to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery position of the original car key chip. Then the power control line of the digital car key cable is welded to the positive and negative electrodes. Then take out the control box. Plug in the original car key chip pair. When plugging in, please note that the red wire side needs to be inserted on the right side of the connector. Then place a shock pad at the bottom of the box. Then put the original car key chip in the box. The modification of the digital car key was completed. This digital car key is a general-purpose product. It can be applied to 99% of the models on the market. The control box space can hold most of the car key chips. This digital car key control box adopts Type-C charging design. 180 days of standby on a single charge. The comfortable entry button is powered by a button battery. Long standby, 365 days. This power supply method eliminates the need to connect the digital car key control box to the power supply on the vehicle. The fuse box can be arbitrarily placed in the auxiliary driver's glove box, the central armrest box, and the center console storage compartment. Comfort entry button can be attached to the door. Install on the car where the handle or B-pillar is within reach. It is super simple to install without dismantling the car and breaking the line.